What do the 2023 GMC Yukon XL dashboard indicator and instrument cluster signify? The 2023 GMC Yukon XL dashboard indicators and instrument cluster provide critical information on vehicle performance and safety. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Driver seat belt reminder light, front passenger seat belt reminder light. Airbag readiness light, passenger airbag status indicator. Charging system light, malfunction indicator lamp. Emissions inspection and maintenance programs. Brake system warning light, electric parking brake light, service electric parking brake light, anti-lock brake system, ABS, warning light, hill descent control light, lane keep assist, LKA, light, vehicle ahead indicator, pedestrian ahead indicator, traction off light, stable track off light, traction control system, TCS/StabilTrak light, second and third row passenger seat belt reminder, tire pressure light, engine oil pressure light, low fuel warning light, security light, high beam on light, IntelliBeam light, front fog lamp light, lamps on reminder, cruise control light, adaptive cruise control light, door ajar light, light, four-wheel drive light, automatic emergency braking, AEB, disabled light, trailer sway control light, up-level cluster, engine coolant temperature, warning light, driver mode control light. Four-corner air suspension light. Curve speed control light, super cruise light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.